Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are making a tart mint jelly, and I am so excited to bring you along for it. It uses up fresh veggies with fresh herbs, which is what I am trying to use because I've moved and I haven't moved my veggies yet, so I chopped them all off and now I'm preserving them in many different ways. So today is the tart mint jelly. So I have in my pot 6 1/4 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. To this, I am adding 1 cup of white vinegar, 5% acidity, and then I have a loosely packed cup of fresh mint leaves that I just tied in cheesecloth. Now you can add green food coloring if you want to. I am omitting that because I want it to be as pure, natural, no preservatives as possible. So now we are going to bring this up to a rolling boil that cannot be stirred down, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so here is the boil that cannot be turned down, and I also have my lid simmering because I do have a couple toddlers I'm going to be using, and then I have my water bath going. But now we need to add 2 pouches of liquid pectin. So this is what I'm using, and it's the liquid one. So you want to add both in, then start stirring constantly, let it come back up to a boil, and boil for 1 minute. Okay, so I let it boil for 1 full minute, and now I have turned off my heat, and we're going to remove our little ball of herbs. Now I already have half pints and quarter pints. It says it does 7 half pints. So this is what I have that I'm going to fill. You want to fill to a 1/4 inch of headspace. Make sure you wipe your rim with some white vinegar because this is just getting water bath canned, and we're going to do it for 10 minutes. Make sure you check your altitude because that time could change, but it is just water bathed 10 minutes, 1/4 inch headspace. Alright, so here they are out of the canner. They went for 10 minutes, and then I turned everything off and let them sit for 5 before taking them out. But they are just the most beautiful color. I'm so glad I didn't do the green, and it's actually really, really good. I would definitely make it again. The only thing I would do differently is add more mint. Granted, I couldn't even do it if I wanted to because I had exactly 1 loose cup worth, but it has essence of mint, and I wanted more like bam in your face mint. So that would be the only thing, is I would probably double the mint and go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's another way to preserve your herbs other than just drying them. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.